Hey guys, it's Roy here from RWilco12 and EpicDroid.com, and we're here today to look at the Boyd backpack from the Highland Collection of Solo, New York. This bag is an awesome backpack, and I would definitely recommend it. However, I'm going to tell you guys up front, this bag does cost a little bit more than most bags that we normally cover. So if you follow the link in the video description down below, you'll see that this bag normally goes for about $100 on Amazon. So before you guys dismiss this bag out of hand just because of the price tag, I want you to stick around for just a little bit longer and see what it is that $100 gets you. So just out of the gate, that $100, it gets you this amazing bag. This bag is a very nice looking bag. It comes with this plaid canvas look to it. That canvas is wax treated. So what that means is the stuff inside the bag is going to be protected from water. That way your stuff stays dry and you don't have to worry about things getting wet as you're out and about if you get caught in a rainstorm or whatnot like that. I still wouldn't take it swimming, but for the most part, you're going to be protected from the water. Now with that wax treatment, you will also see that there will be some subtle changes to the bag over time. I mean, just from natural wear and tear. That is a natural process. I mean, when you treat things with wax or with that canvas, you see it a lot with leather as well. It does get that aged look and it gives it a little bit more character as the bag goes along. Here on the bottom, we do have some leather here. That is a real leather. Here we have some rather large zippers. They have some leather tags to them with these nice spacious pockets. So we have this first pocket here, and this pocket does hold a lot of different things. You can put a mouse in there. You could put several pens in. There's a little keychain hook here so you can hook your keys on. Don't have to worry about losing those. And you can fit a lot of other stuff in there as well. Then you have another pocket right here. This pocket is just an extra storage pocket so you can put some things in there. It's not as deep as the rest, but it's a good spot to put your phone, or if you have a battery bank that you want to throw in there. Just going to throw my phone in there for now. And then here we have the main pocket. Now I'm going to come back to that here in just one second. I'm going to flip this bag over and show you a couple of other things. Here we have our adjustable shoulder straps. So these are adjustable in two different ways. You can adjust the height of them. And then you can also adjust the width of them. So this is a chest strap so that you can take some of that weight off of your shoulders and spread it a little bit more evenly. Now this piece here is a metal piece. This one is plastic. And here you have these little straps right there. These are leather straps. I know a lot of people like to take their sunglasses and kind of hook them down in there so they can keep a hold of them. Nice little way you can hook some stuff in there and just have a nice little extra storage piece. Now with this chest strap, I did forget to mention, it is adjustable, so you can adjust the height of it as well. So that does go up or down, so that it can fit more comfortably across your chest. The straps have a little bit of padding on them, not very much. I wish there was a little bit more on those. So the back here does have some padding on it. It's not super padded, but it's going to be enough to protect your back there, protect it against your laptops or bags or books or whatever else you have in the bag there. It is a breathable fabric. You're also able to take this here, and as you can see, it does detach, and so you can actually put your hand through there the whole way. What that's for is if you're traveling and if you have a luggage thing, you can go ahead and you can slide that over the handle, so it makes it a little bit easier to carry, and you don't have to wear it on your back the entire time. Here up top, we do have a leather handle so that you can hold that like a briefcase. Here on the sides, we do have some pouches for water bottles, for whatever else you want to stash in those. They are expandable, and the elastic on them is very stretchy, but it's also very tight, so that it will hold that and it will still close if you're putting stuff in there. Now going back to that main pocket. That main pocket is a very roomy pocket. Here on the front of it, we have a couple of different pockets. We have this pocket here where we can slide a phone. We have some credit card pockets there as well. So then we have this strap here, and this strap does have Velcro on the end of it. It is not an elastic strap, it is just a canvas one, so that it's going to be what you use to hold your laptop in. It has a nice little label here, so you know this pocket is for your tablet or e-reader. There's no label on this one, but this is your laptop pouch. So you go ahead and you slide your laptop in there, and this will hold up to a 15.6 inch laptop. It is not a tight fit, but I don't think you're going to be holding too much more in there beyond a 15.6 inch. So we have our tablet e-reader pouch. Slide my NVIDIA Shield tablet in there, and then we have lots of room in there still. So we can go ahead and we can see this. I'm going to take that strap and put it down. But this pouch opens up quite a bit. There's a ton of room in there. So I have here this big old honking book. It's not actually a book, it's just where I store all my extra cables and things. But this thing is about 4 inches tall, 12 inches long, and I think it's just over 8 inches wide. And I can take this, and with my laptop and tablet in there, and I can still fit that in there. And then I could zip it up. So as you can see there, this is a great bag for storage. It would be a great day bag, a great bag for work, a great bag for travel, a great bag for school. You can use this for just about anything. And like I said earlier, it is a super durable bag. It's going to last you for a long time. You have that 5-year warranty. However, I don't know that you're going to need it. The bag has a lot of room for storage. It has a lot of pockets. It has a lot of other great features. It's a durable bag, and it's going to last for that 5-year warranty and beyond. I would definitely recommend checking out the Boyd backpack. We'll have links in the video description down below where you can order one for yourselves. If you guys have any questions about this backpack or about any of the products that you saw, please feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and remember to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.